Thank you for visiting the Help Desk at Redline Controls. This 7-part presentation will discuss the main configuration software for our new series of G3 HMIs, Crimson 2.0. Part 2 will discuss how to configure data tags. First, double-click on the data tag button. There are 3 different types of tags that can be created in the HMI. Once created, they can be mapped to data in the external devices communicating with the HMI, or set up as an internal tag that can hold data and are stored in the HMI memory. A variable is data that represents one element of information. A formula is a variable that can have math easily applied to it, like averaging, offsetting, or converting. An array represents multiple elements of data that is stored in one block of information for higher data transfer, mainly used in recipe handling. Within these 3 types of tags, you can format them 5 different ways. A flag represents a bit, being either on or off. An integer represents as much as a 32-bit word of data. A multi is short for a multi-state integer, where it will represent only a specific number of states. A real represents a real number or floating point value. And a string represents an ASCII text string. To create a tag, click on one of the buttons that represents the type of tag you wish to configure. If your tag list becomes very long, or you want your tags to represent the application that is being set up, all tags can be renamed so that then when they are referenced in the software, they are easily picked out of the list. Click on the tag in the tag list and simply type out a new name. Click on the tag in the tag list, and from here, there are 6 tabs to choose from to configure this tag. The Data tab allows you to map this tag to an external register in another device. The Format tab allows you to configure how this tag will look when it appears on the HMI screen. If you are configuring one of the color touchscreens, the Colors tab will appear in this section. Not only can you configure the color of the text and its background, but also configure the colors depending on what the value of the tag is. Two alarm tags allow you to configure soft alarms that provide notification on the HMI screen and if alarm state is reached. Finally, the Triggers tab allows you to set an action to an alarm state. Actions include, but are not limited to, changing the display page, writing a value to a register, and so on. A full list of available actions can be found in the software manual or in the Help file under the Help menu.